Welcome to Rocket Drones. This is your introductory video of where to start and how to use the program and all the different use cases for your school's needs. Everybody starts with the portal. The portal is your one-stop shop for everything resource related and also all of your activities, your drone flight log hours for your students, your curriculum access, and so much more. Now remember, if you haven't already done so, we provide a free virtual onboarding. You can simply go to rocketdrones.com/support and you can reserve a time on our calendar for any of our live agents to pick up and do a refresher or an onboarding with you. So these are tools that are unlimited to you to utilize at your time of onboarding, and we recommend it for all new teachers. After you've done your onboarding and you've gotten portal access, you're going to notice that there's a lot of options in the portal. Remember, we all need a foundation when it comes to a starting point, so there's two foundational pieces included in your kit. One, if you have the Rocket Drones Classroom Kit, is going to be your classroom drones. These classroom drones are foundational to introduce your students to the basic flight principles of understanding that when the drone is facing away from you, left is left, right is right. The moment the drone is facing towards you, everything is inverted. So we provided a variety of drone challenges and drone activities to gamify that experience of getting used to these drone commands and these skill sets so they're ultimately more desirable by industry. The other thing is that you have a web-based simulator built into the portal. That web-based simulator is a really cool tool because it is a site licensed product and it works with the same controllers that are part of your classroom kit or any basic game controller that talks to a Windows PC. Once you load this web simulator, it gives you the opportunity to rotate out your students from physical flight operations to virtual flight operations. The virtual flight operations inside the sim actually teach the kids how to fly this specific classroom drone and how to troubleshoot it and how to advance their skill set onto the next progressionary mission. So once we've got a few of these flight activities and flight challenges under our belt, maybe even a few events, the one thing to remember is to keep coming back to the portal to log your hours and to be checking in for new releases of flight challenges. Every month, we're introducing new competitions, new games, and new learning moments within the portal. So it's a very connective place for you to come back to and continue your drone education. In addition, there's also going to be some new simulator missions being launched and some new games based on your suggestions. Within this is a lot to unpack. This is where you ultimately start your journey. Classroom Drone Physical or your Classroom Drone Simulators. Check them out.